After more than a decade in operation, ceramic 3D printing has been widely acknowledged as a cost-efficient alternative to injection molding, slip casting, and isostatic pressing. It is perfectly suited to prototyping and the production of small-scale batches. But what about serial production? Just how far has the ceramic 3D printing of complex parts already been scaled? And which applications are already successfully in serial production? Let's find out in this Lithoz Explains episode. Lithoz, lithography-based ceramic manufacturing, or LCM technology, has been on the market since 2011. Today, our biggest customer produces more than 4 million mass-customized parts per year. In other words, the era of large-scale serial production in ceramic 3D printing isn't simply a vision, it has already become an industrial reality. To better meet the demand of a fast-growing market, Lithoz has built the Ceramic 3D Factory Network, uniting LCM technology and service bureaus all over the world in one global network for interconnected serial production across fields such as semiconductor production, aerospace, medtech, and more. The versatile ceramic 3D factory production ecosystem, centered around Lithoz LCM technology, is built on 4 solid cornerstones. The Serifab industrial printer, with its tried and tested precision at perfect repeatability. The Sera control software for the synchronization of up to 100 globally interconnected printers. A wide variety of premium ceramic materials, and, last but not least, a worldwide network of experienced contract manufacturers working with LCM technology. Now, let's look at how Lithoz LCM ceramic 3D printing technology has accelerated ceramic 3D printing into the era of large-scale serial production. We'll look at 1,400 medical sleeves produced by Bosch Advanced Ceramics on a single LCM platform.
At Bosch Advanced Ceramics, we are a contract manufacturer fully specialized in ceramic additive manufacturing. We manufacture high-performance, innovative components for various industries worldwide. One of our latest projects is a sleeve for a medical device customer. The sleeve is required to electrically insulate a 0.5 mm wire within a medical instrument. Due to the compact size of the instrument, the top of the sleeve has a wall thickness of only 90 micron. The ultra-thin specification presented an interesting challenge, requiring absolute precision. Achieving this level of detail requires not only the right material, but also the perfect process parameters to balance overpolymerization and ensure the accurate reproduction of the finest feature. In a 5-month test phase, we worked with our customer to find the best balance between wall thickness and electrical insulation. With the Serifab S65 system, we are producing 1,400 parts in one single print run, meeting an annual demand of up to 50,000 parts. Bosch started working with ceramic injection molding in 1939, and we at Bosch Advanced Ceramics are proud to continue at the forefront, driving technology forward and enabling our customers to lead the way in innovation. The sleeve is an exceptional example of how ceramic additive manufacturing can innovate mass production, offering unparalleled precision and performance.
As we have seen from these large-scale applications, ceramic 3D printing is already changing the game when it comes to the serial production of highly complex and efficient technical parts. If you want to stay ahead of the game and take advantage of Lithoz LCM technology for large-scale production, then Lithoz has the know-how and technology to turn your idea into a serially produced 3D printed reality. Get in contact today and let's manufacture the future together.